Hi, my name is Bart Kamsky and I'd like to show you my animated chainsaw marketplace asset. So it is a skeletal mesh, but first I'm going to show you what you can do with materials. So let's take the orange one. Obviously you can change color of it. You can change roughness. But most importantly, you can change its, let's make it more visible, like here, its level of dirt and overall how much is it wear off. Okay, so this is, it is rigged, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So if I press start, it starts, and if I press F, it starts cutting. And there is material animation of the chain, and there are animations when I press start or stop, and also all the switches here are rigged and animated. Everything is set up here in the blueprint, and also there are sounds that are paired with animations. So there is chainsaw cutting, chainsaw idle, chainsaw start, and chainsaw stop, and there's a switch. And so on. There is 14 sounds overall, and there is also chainsaw sound attenuation. Okay, that's all. It's going to be on Unreal Engine Marketplace. It's ready to go. Just buy it and put it in your character and you can use it. Thanks for watching. See ya.